divide 129 by 5 in long division method. So 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 9 and it is 29. So 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 4. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 129 divided by 5 is 25 decimal 8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.